guys. I hope everybody is having a good day. My name is Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. Tonight we're going to talk about some neck arthritis exercises so you can get a little relief during the day and kind of have less of that neck pain. So one of the things that I always caveat my arthritis videos with is be aware that everyone over the age of 18 has some form of arthritis. So it's a very easy thing to identify on an x-ray, but it may not be the actual cause of your pain. So just always kind of take that with a grain of salt, that just because your x-ray showing arthritis doesn't mean that's why you're actually having the pain. And if you're having headaches, it is most likely not having anything to do with the arthritis. So always make sure that I say that at the beginning of all of my arthritis videos, because I think we are quick to blame arthritis for a lot of pain in our body. And really, while it can be extremely painful, it doesn't always allow for the amount of pain that it's causing or the amount of pain that is given credit to cause. So just a heads up on that. Also, when we're talking about any sort of neck pain, back pain, you know, any really shoulder pain, you really need to make sure that you are considering your posture. So it's important to understand that you can do all the neck exercises, all the back exercises in the world, but if you sit like this for 12 hours a day, or you're on your phone like this most of the time, it's not going to matter at all how many exercises you do, because nothing is going to reverse the effects of hours of just poor posture. This all puts strain on your ligaments, on your joints, on your muscles. That is not going to be helped by exercises. So the longer you are sitting in these poor postures, these postures that are just like this, the worse it's going to be, the worse the pain is going to get. It will actually, in most cases, speed up the arthritis because you're putting your bones in a position to actually rub more on one another, but you will not really wind up having a lot of success with exercises. So please be aware. If you look at our YouTube channel, Total Performance Physical Therapy, we have a lot of videos on how to set up your work from home desk, how to set up your desk, how to do a standing desk. So make sure that you're looking at those videos when you're setting up things so you can set them up properly and you're able to have a really good posture throughout the day. That is going to be more beneficial to your neck than any exercises you can do. Also, taking frequent breaks throughout the day, and I don't mean, you know, taking a 15-minute break, but just standing up at your desk, you know, or changing your desk from that sit desk to that stand desk, allowing everything to kind of reset and move. Really important. Again, the longer you sit in these static postures, or even the longer you stand in these postures, can really take a toll on your body. So make sure that you are shifting around quite often. Make sure you're changing positions to allow your muscles to reset, to allow the blood to flow, and everything to really start to feel better overall. But let's go through just 3 quick exercises that you can do, and these are nice because you can do these anytime, and because it's the neck, I don't recommend any really equipment to do with these, but these are some good stretches to do throughout the day to really kind of help loosen that neck up. So the first one is you're just going to pull your neck gently to the side, okay? So you're gonna take your ear and just drop it to your shoulder and then just give a gentle pull to that side. Now, if you feel a stretch when you lay your head just like that, that's where you want to stop. You don't need to necessarily put any overpressure on. If you're feeling a good stretch, and you should feel a stretch in through here, you want to stop right there. That's all the further you need to stretch. But if you don't, and you want a little bit more pressure, then you can start to really pull on your neck. And I don't want you to pull on your neck, just apply gentle pressure. This is not, you don't want to try and crack your neck or anything like that. You just want to gently put some pressure. You want to hold that about 30 seconds, and you want to do 6 on each side. The next one we're going to do is just a simple stretch. Same thing, we're going to drop your head to the side, but this time you're going to lean it a little forward also. So you're coming at this diagonal position. So it's just kind of start by just dropping it over to the side and then having it come forward a little bit. So you're stretching the diagonal. Now for this, if you don't feel a stretch when you're in this position, you want to take your hand, put it at the back corner of your head, and just kind of, again, apply that gentle pressure. You're not cranking down on it. You're not applying some ridiculous amount of pressure. It's just off to the side and down, and then you just want to push through to that diagonal position. Again, 30-second hold 6 times. You can do these multiple times throughout the day. They can really help. And then the last one is what we're gonna do is chin tucks. And this is, while the least amount of movement, this is always the hardest for people to get. So you're gonna start and you're gonna just kind of imagine an imaginary line going through your head there, and you just wanna tuck your chin, giving yourself kind of that double and triple chin, and then jut it forward and then bring it back. Your eyes should stay at the same level. You're not looking up and you're not looking down, okay? It's just a simple tuck back, all right? You should feel a nice gentle stretch in your back of your neck. Maybe you don't, but you shouldn't feel any pain, no numbness or tingling should be going on, and you just wanna kind of hold that for about 5 seconds and then release. And that's gonna help loosen up some of those structures in the back of the neck. But again, this doesn't matter if you do not have good posture. None of this will make a difference if you go back and you sit like this for even 2 hours straight. That all kind of negates this, posture or those exercises. So make sure that you are really focusing on posture first, then worrying about exercises you were dealing with headache or neck pain or anything like that. If you or someone you know is suffering from neck pain and wants a free consultation with a doctor of physical therapy, all you have to do is call our office at 215-997-9898 and we'd be happy to get you in. Thanks and have a good night.